The 2004 Ford F-250 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-250 Super Duty. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, one owner, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, fog lamps, fog lights, power windows, trip computer, CD player, compass, overhead console, leather, tachometer, power mirrors, power driver's seat. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.